Hello dear students of class 9, welcome to my online English class. I am Kumar, assistant teacher, Haridhali Union Secondary School, Haridhali Paikgacha, Khulna. Hope you all are fit and fine and learning English every single day. Dear students, in today's class we will learn about tag question. First, we will know what tag question is. Dear students, tag question is a short form of question or a phrase that is added to the end of the statement and to turn it into a question or ask to know whether the statement is true or correct. Now dear friends, we will know some auxiliaries and not, and what is the contracted form of these. Let us see on the blackboard. Look dear students, there are some auxiliary verbs and not, and after that these are the contracted form of the auxiliary plus not. Those are am, not, that is aren't, is not, isn't, like this aren't, wasn't, weren't, don't, doesn't, didn't, haven't, hasn't, hadn't, can plus not, that is can't. Look dear friends, this is what mentioning here that there is no double N here but a single CAN apostrophe. Can't, could plus not, couldn't, may not, that is mayn't, might not, mightn't, shall not, shan't, shouldn't, won't, and like this wouldn't, mustn't, oughtn't, needn't, and daren't. Dear students, these contracted form are very important in the field of making tag question. So already we have learned these. Dear students, we will learn another important thing, that is, first we have to see, or we should learn that if there is any auxiliary verb in the sentence or not. First we will write down the sentence here. I'm a boy. Look dear friend, it's a sentence, I'm a boy, and there is no auxiliary verb here. Yes, there is an auxiliary verb here, am, that is the auxiliary, and when there is an auxiliary in the sentence, how can we make this into a tag? How we can make this a tag question? Look dear students, first we will write down the sentence, I'm a boy. After that we will put here a comma, then as there is a auxiliary, so we will put here aren't, because this sentence is affirmative, so tag will be negative, and if the sentence is in negative, the tag will be affirmative. So as this is affirmative, so tag will be negative and then we will put the pronoun of the sentence, that is I, and at last we will put here note of interrogation mark. So the tag question here, I'm a boy, aren't I? I think dear students, you have learned this. Now, dear students, we will see some rules through which we can make tag question of various types of sentences. So look at the blackboard. First, we will see whether there is any auxiliary verb or not. And already we have learned that, and now we are going to see if there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence. I eat rice. Look dear students, there is no auxiliary verb here in this sentence. So how we can change it into a tag question here? I eat rice. Yes, there is no auxiliary verb, so we will put here do verb. We will use here do verb. So you see, this is present indefinite tense. So in present indefinite tense, we will use the do. And as this is a affirmative sentence, so we will use negative tag here. Look dear students, I eat rice, and then we will put here a comma. After that, as there is no auxiliary verb, so we will use here do, that is don't, and then we will use here the pronoun of the subject, and I here pronoun is I, and after that we have used here note of interrogation mark. I think dear students, you have understood this very well. Next, if the sentence is started with there, how we can change this into tag question? There is a king in a certain country. Look dear students, this sentence is started with there, and when you will see the statement is started with there, you will use there as pronoun of the subject. So there, look, there is a auxiliary verb here, and the sentence is in affirmative, so we will use here negative tag, that is isn't, and after that there, we will use here there, and at the beginning of the sentence there will be a note of interrogation mark. So the answer is, there is a king in a certain country, is it there? Next, if the sentence is started with in any animal, so what will we do then? What we will do then? Now dear students, take a this blackboard. Look at the blackboard, please. A barking dog seldom bites. A barking dog seldom bites. Look dear friends, this sentence is started with the animal as subject here. So how we can change this into a tag question? So dear friends, when we will see this types of sentence, we will use their it as pronoun of the subject. So accordingly, we will use there a comma. After that, we will take a look at the sentence, whether the sentence is in affirmative sense or negative. So as there is seldom, so the sentence will be considered as negative one. And when the sentence is in negative sentence, definitely we will use the affirmative tag here. So dear students, bites, that means does, and as the sentence is in negative, so we will use here affirmative tag. And what is the pronoun will we have? A barking dog, that is it. And after that, note of interrogation mark. Now dear students, we are going to another one. If our sentence is started with any verb, that means the sentence will be imperative sentence. So how we can turn this statement into a tag, we will see that. Do the work. Do the work. So just that it is very clear to us that the sentence is imperative sentence. It is the instance of imperative sentence because it is started with verb. So how can we change this into a tag question? We will use here will you. When you will see any instance of imperative sentence, any example of imperative sentence, you will use here will you. Okay dear students, and now we will see another one. If the sentence is started with let us, how can we make this into a tag question? Let us discuss. Let us discuss the matter. Let us or let's discuss the matter. So dear students, when you will see the sentence is started with let us, we will use here shall we, and before that you have to put a comma. Shall we. So now dear students, we are going to another one. If there are some words like everybody, everyone, anybody, anyone, anybody, anyone, someone like these words as subject of the sentence, we will use they instead of these very words as pronoun. So look, dear students, I am going to write down a sentence. Everybody likes this. Everybody likes this. So dear students, everybody likes this our sentence, and now we are going to make it tag question. So as there is likes, so according to the rule, here does comes, but as there is everybody, so we have to use there they instead of everybody. So when we are using they, definitely we will not use their does. So what will come here? Don't they. So as our subject is here they, so we will not use here doesn't, rather we will use here don't. So dear students, I think you all have enjoyed the class, and in this class we have discussed some rules and regulations in the field of tag question, and I think you all have enjoyed this and understood this very well, and now your task is to practice this at home. So dear students, you are to open your exercise book, and I am going to give you some home tasks, and you are to copy these down in your exercise book. They did the charm. Then you went there. Every mother loves her child. I know him, and after that, you are my friend. You are my friend. Okay, dear students, these are your homework, and I think you have copied this sentence in your exercise book. So dear students, you are to try your level best to do these homeworks at home, and after doing this you have to submit it to your English teacher, and he will check it whether they are right or wrong. Dear friends, you know that we are going through a pandemic situation, that is COVID-19. So stay home, stay safe, wear masks. So thank you very much for this day. See you again. Bye.